I'm just waiting for a friend to meet them for lunch here, and I thought I would share an experience I had with a client, sort of like a interview. I call it a sales meeting. I don't know what you'd call it. But they were asking for some of my experiences with Salesforce, and they asked about one specific thing where they were trying to share tasks or be able to see tasks that were assigned to other people. And I guess I learned about a limitation that is in there where if a task, so tasks can either be shared as private or as like public, and there's no way to create specific sharing rules for tasks like you can with all the other records. So they were kind of running into that situation. They were asking, well, how do you deal with when you're creating a task and you assign it to someone else? How do you then still manage those lists of tasks? So not knowing really what the limitations were, after that phone call, I went and did a bit of research on it, and I found that if you're delegating a task to someone underneath you in the role hierarchy, then you should be able to use that. So my first question would have been, to follow up and see, are they leveraging roles within the organization? And then if not, maybe is there some other object that you could associate with the task that you do have access to, and then gain access to the task through that. So I think I've had some other people ask, like, what are common interview questions as you're applying for Salesforce Admin type of roles. And I guess maybe this would just be an example of a question of how do you deal with sharing out tasks in an org, because they're handled a little bit differently than most objects. So just want to share it. All right, have fun.